Got our new valve seals, SS70945 Fail Pro. Got one intake done, working on the second exhaust. We may as well do a quick valve lap while we're there. Doesn't hurt anything. Get this head finished up, and it'll be ready. Heads are back together. New valve seals. Did a quick valve jar, valve lap. Nothing fancy. Quick little valve lap while they're apart. Doesn't hurt. Gonna actually just even do this quick a dingle ball hone to the block before put the bottom end back together. I'm gonna reuse everything because it ran great when it came apart. Just trying to figure out that smoking issue, which was obviously some valve seals. Get her back together. Sweet.